Hey friends, Catherine here. Yesterday I showed you the sculpting of this bowl, and today I want to show you the painting of it. This is a yarn bowl made from air dry clay, and the clay says, well, on the label it says once the clay is fully dry, you can paint on it with any kind of paint. This is now fully dry. It took about a week for this to dry, and we are ready to go to Paint Town with it. So let's get started. I am feeling a red bowl. So I have got out this Apple Barrel Barn Red acrylic paint, and should probably shake it up first, but there we go. Just gonna put out a good healthy portion and grab a brush. Now this is actually a stencil brush, but I don't think that's going to matter for this particular project. So grab a brush and just start painting. Now, I feel like I'm going to want to be quick with putting the paint on because this clay is, as dry as it is, going to be pretty darn absorbent. So the moisture should be sucked out of the paint pretty quickly, I feel. Yeah, that's getting sucked out of, that's drying onto it very quickly, which is awesome. But it does mean that I have to paint quick as well in order to make my paint go as far as it should go. While hopefully still getting good coverage. It's soaking in very quickly, which is awesome. Okay, almost done with the inside. Then we can flip it over and do the outside. And once I've got a base of red all the way around, then we can see about doing a design on it. Just want to get a solid color on it first, and then we can see about painting a design over top of that. Okay. Okay, pretty good. All right, flip it over, work on the outside. Getting a little bit of paint on my hands, but not too bad. Just trying to get the paint all the way around as quickly as possible. And I don't have to worry about this being like a food safe paint or anything, because this is not a bowl intended for food. It is to be a yarn bowl, which is why it's got the cutouts and like the holes and stuff. I'm gonna need to get more red paint in just a moment. I did not put out enough. That's okay. We will set the bowl down and get out more red paint. All right. I was thinking about sculpting like a trinket bowl shaped like a leaf. If you think that's a good idea, definitely let me know, because I was thinking about doing one of those. That seemed like fun. But this painting this air dry clay sure takes a lot of paint. It is very thirsty. Go. Okay, a little bit more to go. All right, that is something resembling covered. Perfect. I only got a little bit of paint all over my hands everywhere. So let's set this brush aside for the moment and decide how we want to do this. I'm thinking great big large circles. So for that, I've got some white, and I want to use this Deco Art white. And I'll just put that out over here in something resembling a large-ish circle, hopefully. And then I've got, to make sure that I get large circles, a toilet paper tube for stamping. So I'll just get that all over in my white and run a test stamp on an inconspicuous place, the bottom. There we go. It works. Okay, let's put circles all over the place. Just at random areas, rolling it around sort of to make sure that I get a complete circle, or as complete as I can anyway. Go. Maybe one right around that heart on the side right there. Go. And then like across this thing. And oops, dripped a little on my work surface. That's all right. That's what I've got paper down for. But I don't want it to smear onto my project, so I'm going to pick that up with a bit of paper towel. There we go. And maybe like over here. And here. Maybe like a Venn diagram right there. And then one by itself over here. There. How do we feel about that? That's pretty well dotted all over the place. That's pretty good, I think. Let's clean up some of that red from right there so that it's not puddling. And then turn our piece over and work on the inside. Which should be easier because the circles should take better. Hopefully. Who knows? We'll see. They seem to be taking better though, which is nice. Just put my hand in one of the circles on the outside. Now my hand is covered in white paint. There we go. Something like that. And there. Let's pick up that drip so that it's not going to run so badly, hopefully. Who knows? We shall see. Ooh. Then do one like off the edge maybe? Ooh. Or like around the edge. Yeah. Let's do another one like that. I like that idea. Let's do one right there. Around the edge. Okay, and then I think that's good for this toilet paper tube. But I also have these circle stamps, which I showed you carving of a little while back. So let's do some smaller circles with these too. Let's pick up some white and do like a small white circle there. And then like a small white circle there. And maybe there. And that had ink on it, and as soon as the ink was rehydrated, it started bleeding off and started turning this white blue, which is not bad, but not what I was looking for. Put it circled there. And then maybe flip the whole thing over and do some on the outside. So like there, and maybe there, and there. 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 Just kind of all over the place. And that's pretty good, I think. Just maybe there. That's pretty all right. I could do other ones in like lighter and darker colors. I could mix the white and the red together and do like solid pink dots, and actually I think that I might. Maybe not. No, I think I'm done. I think I want to just have it red and white. I don't want to mix any pink in there. And I will call it done with just red and white. What do you think? If you guys like this, definitely let me know. I am always glad to hear from you. I put up new videos every day, so I encourage you to come back and watch tomorrow's video as well. And remember to subscribe. And I will see you all another time. Bye!